Hi, everybody. It's Jill Bulwark. I've been doing this job for 35 years, and I have met attorneys from all over the country and have made some pretty good friends with those attorneys. And because I have relationships with attorneys in other states, I often get calls from people that are referred by those attorneys who are from the state where my friend is from, but they get hurt in Missouri. So, for instance, somebody in Kentucky is driving through Missouri and gets hurt in Missouri, and the attorney in Kentucky will refer that Kentucky resident to me for handling the auto accident part of the case. And the reason for that is because when you get in an accident in Missouri, Missouri law is going to apply, and if the other driver's from Missouri, you're going to have to file a lawsuit in the state of Missouri. So it makes sense for the accident itself to have an attorney from Missouri. But you may need an attorney in your own home state as well, or at least an advisor from that state, an attorney advisor from that state. And here's why. Some of the issues that are applicable in your case may be governed by your home state law. So that Kentucky resident who gets hurt in Missouri may have a health insurance policy that's requesting repayment for any benefits they paid as a result of the accident. And the law in Kentucky on that might be different than the law in Missouri. And because the insurance contract was entered into in the law in Kentucky, Kentucky law is likely to apply to whether that policy is entitled to reimbursement. Also, when you have auto insurance coverage, different states have different types of coverage. So, for instance, some states have what's called personal injury protection coverage, which is kind of like no-fault coverage. We don't have that in Missouri, but that's a benefit to you in your state. So if you have an accident in Missouri and you have personal injury protection or PIP coverage in another state, that state's law is going to apply. So what I do when someone from out of state hires me is I either cooperate or co-counsel with the attorney who referred the case to me from the other state, or I find an attorney in that state to co-counsel with me. And we share a fee based on the amount of work we each do. And I deal with the issues that touch Missouri, and I have that attorney deal with the issues that touch the state where their client is from, which in this case would be Kentucky. Not everybody does it that way, but I feel it's the safest thing for my clients because I'm licensed in Missouri and Illinois, and there's 48 other states that people could be driving through Missouri. And I don't know the law of the other 48 states well enough to advise people. So I believe in a team approach. When out-of-state people get hurt and I'm representing them here in Missouri, other people do it differently, that's fine, but that's just my approach. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you don't find yourself getting in an accident in another state while you're driving to a well-anticipated vacation. But if you do, it's a good idea, like I said, to hire an attorney in your state who can help you find an attorney in the state where the accident occurred, and hopefully your attorneys will speak together. That was a long-winded one. Hope it was helpful.